Maths 2, the paper number second, mathematics paper number second, we have to start the lecture number 20 of the standard 12. That is a very important chapter. We have to start the differentiation in short derivative. Okay, before starting your lecture, so search in the YouTube channel, that is Indraprastha classes, type with correct spelling. So subscribe, like and share. Okay, more shares. So we have to complete it in the mathematics first, the chapter number second, that is matrices. Now we have to start the next chapter, that is chapter number first, differentiation in mathematics paper 2. You have to already study in the 11th standard differentiation. So there are many derivatives for the standard derivatives as like some important derivatives of some important or standard functions. Is it clear? Have any doubts? Okay. Now, you know very well. Suppose the C is supposed to be constant. We have to write in tabular form. Okay, right? Tabular form. Supposed to be y is equals to f of x. Okay. And derivative here we can write here derivative, that is dy by dx is equals to f dash of x. Done? Okay, now. Now check. First derivative C is supposed to be constant, and constant, the derivative of the constant term, any constant. So its derivative is 0. Now, secondly, so if the power of the given function is n, then its derivative is very easy. Power is multiplying factor, and then x, and the power becomes less 1. Means x s to n, its derivative is nx into nx raised to n minus 1, third derivative. Okay, what is the derivative for 1 upon x? What is the derivative for 1 upon x? That is minus 1 upon x square. Then 1 upon x square, its derivative is minus 2 upon x cube. Then 1 upon x cube. So minus 3 upon x raised to 4, as like this. Then in general 1 upon x raised to m, its derivative is minus n into x raised to n plus 1. So what is the derivative for root x? That is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. Done? Then what is the derivative for e raised to x? E raised to x. Then what is the derivative for a raised to x? A raised to x into log of a. Then what is the derivative for log x? That is 1 upon x to the base e. Done? Then 11 log of x to the base a, and its derivative is that 1 upon x into log of a. Then sin x cos x. Cos x, what is the derivative for cos x? Yes, that is minus sin x. Then what is the derivative for tan x? that is sec square x. What is the derivative for cot x? Minus cosec square x. What is the derivative for? What is the derivative for sec x? That is sec x into tan x. And what is the derivative for cosec x? That is minus cosec x into cot x. Is done? Done? Okay, done. Then rule for differentiation. Rule for differentiation. Rule of differentiation. First rule is that for addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, then both of them. Then dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Another rule is that y is equals to u into v. Then dy by dx is equals to, this is the product rule, which is equals to first term as it is into derivative of the second term, then second term as it is, first term as it is derivative of second term, and second term as it is into derivative of first term. Then third one is that if y is equals to u upon v, and then dy by dx is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator and divided by denominator square. These are the three rules, and I like this derivatives. You have to already study these are derivatives, and these are the three rules in the 11th standard in the chapter derivative or differentiation. Now we have to perform the derivative of composite function. Okay, first I have to write this one and recite all these derivatives in this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubts or any queries, so tell in the comment, type in the comments how to solve. I will try to solve your doubts or any problems. So before you are writing this, so search YouTube channel Indraprastha classes, type with complete spelling from this one and this up to. Okay, then share, subscribe and like. Now try. Okay, done? Finish your writing. D. So derivative of composite function derivatives of composite function. Ela, so it can be said to be chain rule for chain or chain rule. So derivative of composite function nothing but chain rule. So theorem. If y is equals to f of u is differentiable function of u and u is equal to g of x is differentiable function of x such that the composite function y is equal to f of g of x is a differentiable function of x is a differentiable function of x. Then what I have to show, so dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. That is my point. It is the dy by dx only multiplied by du by dx. That is the continuation function. So therefore it's said to be chain rule. It becomes a chain. Is it clear? So proof. How to prove it? Very easy. Okay, as we go, same thing. So as we know that delta x, this is the delta, not d, delta x, delta y, delta u and delta y, these are the delta means small increments. So these are the small increments in the particular variables x, y, u, y. This is in increment in x and this is the increment in y, u, and this is the increment in y respectively. And delta x is equal to delta u equal to delta y are non-zero, So we have what we have. So we have delta y upon delta x is equals to delta y upon delta u into delta u upon delta x, called equation 4. Okay, now taking limits on both sides as delta x tends to 0. Now perform limit delta x tends to 0 of delta y by delta x is equals to limit delta x tends to 0 of delta y by delta u multiplied by limit delta x. Already we have to separate it. Okay, it's very easy. So delta u by delta x. Relations 1, 1, 2, and third becomes, okay, so come on, what is this? Only 1 and 2 becomes 2 and 3 becomes relations 2 and 3 becomes, come on, what is this? This is dy by dx is equals to, what is this? That is dy by du into, what is it? That is du by dx. So hence the composite function, the theorem for composite function is proved. Okay, so this is the very important theorem for. So we have to solve the problems for the differentiation tomorrow. So we will continue tomorrow. We have to stop here, and thank you very much. Now write down with the pause of video before writing. So like our videos, then YouTube channel in the first classes. This is the subscription. Subscribe to this channel, like and share more and more. Okay, ask your friends and relatives for subscription of our channel in the first classes. Okay, now we have to stop. Thank you very much. First